So, but where are we now?
At the shoulder.
At the shoulder of Pitipito? So,
like your body.
just like my body. So we have another 200, 300 feet to climb still. Yeah, there we have it. For the first time ever, PYO being represented at Pitipito. All the past presidents of the Monterey Youth and Sports Council there, man. And our loyal guide experts and Amelie enjoying the visit. And there in the background, panoramic view of the coastal town of Soufrière Inlet, hurricane shelter. Areas would be the Salt Spring, Jalousie in between the Piton, various cocoa estates like Kubari Estate and Unionville. Then you can see the Fred Secondary School way back. Then other resorts like Ladera. But from Pitipito, as soon as we get to Pitipito on the other side, when we look south, we'll see Go Piton, which incidentally was 6 days ago.